Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, covering 2.1 million square miles, 9 countries, and 40% of the entire continent of South America. It's the largest rainforest in the world. It's home to the longest river in the world, a huge diversity of life, and 10% of all the animals on the planet, 75% of which are unique to the area. There are 1,500 bird species, 3,000 fish, 370 reptiles, 2.5 million insects, and 430 mammals. However, the increasing demand for farmland has caused commercial farms to spill over into the rainforest, endangering the animals' habitats and our atmosphere. The Amazon has been covered in rainforests for about 15 million years. Since the Ice Age, it has evolved into the most environmentally diverse ecosystems in the world. As the world warmed and glaciers in the northern hemisphere melted, the Amazon River was created. It flowed westward toward the Pacific. The Andes Mountains were formed by the collision of the South American and the Nazca Plates. The Andes, as well as the Brazilian and Guyana bedrock shield, cut off the river, turning the Amazon basin into a giant saltwater lake. Eventually, the lake spilled over into the Atlantic Ocean, draining itself, thus giving birth to a new rainforest. Many scientists believe that around 30,000 years ago, a large group of people migrated from South Siberia toward a theoretical landmass known as the Bering Land Bridge, connected to North America. These people flowed from North America into Central and eventually to South America. Here, they created small villages along the Amazon watershed, beginning the crisis of Amazon deforestation. As the demand for commercial farmland escalated and more forest was clear-cut, animal populations began to decline due to habitat loss. There are currently 2,633 species that are considered endangered, and even more that have gone extinct in the Amazon region. By destroying the Amazon, we aren't just endangering animals. Trees use energy from the sun, water, and carbon dioxide to produce glucose, or sugar. There are 50,000 to 100,000 trees per square kilometer in the Amazon, producing 20% of the world's oxygen. That's a lot of O! As trees are cut down, less CO2 is recycled, and Earth's climate increases in temperature. 3 to 6 billion trees are cut down in the Amazon each year, causing the world's oxygen to slowly decline. Politically, one of the most concerning issues today is global warming. The country of Brazil has made huge progress by trying to reduce deforestation using REDD+, reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation. In 2005, REDD+ was proposed as an approach to deforestation reduction in tropical countries. The country of Brazil pledged to reduce the deforestation rate by 8% by 2020. Brazil almost met its goal by 2010 with a 67% decrease. They did this by providing citizens with new jobs and protecting more forest land. As you can see, the increasing demand for farmland has caused commercial farms to spill over into the rainforest, endangering the animals' habitats and our atmosphere. Some ways to help prevent deforestation include spreading the word about deforestation, donating money to nonprofit organizations, and visiting the Amazon to help raise money for concerned countries. More locally, you can plant native plants or trees to recycle carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. We should all be working together to end deforestation, save our biosphere, and erase the destructive chemical footprint that we have created on our Earth.